To Best Car Fixes 2008 E350. This is a power window switch and door lock. You see this here? Here, if you notice here, we have a power window switch in this area here and this area. Okay, this one is going to the power window switch, and maybe this two here is going to the other side. Now we have all four ground. You see here? All three are ground. 1, 2, 3 grounds. This is going, for example, to this window. 2 powers, 1 power here, 1 power here. Change polarity. This one 2 here, I believe this one here, and the other one, this is going to the right side power window. This 2. If you give power ground here, it will go. This other wires, this one here, this is, hold on. I believe this three wire here. This 3 wire here, door lock, unlock, change polarity. The ground, power, ground, I believe. It may have only maybe ground input. I'm not sure, but let's work about this one. I just want to tell you the power, where the power come from. There is some music here. I hope I will not get YouTube strike or copyright. Okay, these 2 power here, this one here, the red and blue are power coming from the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker, this one. But this one here also is getting power from the accessory relay. The accessory relay is supposed to be somewhere here, and the accessory relay is fed by the ground, or is commanded by the cluster. If the cluster is bad, you're gonna have no power coming here. No power coming here, because the power source here coming from the accessory relay, and the cluster have a delay relay. Delay relay activation. That one is not working. So I'm going to show you in a power wiring diagram how it works. Here is the Ford wiring diagram. Just to explain to you, you need to get a really wiring diagram to work on this car. This is battery junction box next to the battery. This is accessory relay. You see it have power from hot all time. You see this hot all time. And the ground is coming from the accessory delay relay. This is a cluster. As soon as you turn the cluster off, turn the ignition off, this accessory delay relay will close, and the power from the fuse F7 is 60 amps. It comes full power here, and when you close, it will open to come to the dark blue is coming here to 2 feasible link. You see this here, or circuit breaker. One is F42. F42 it break into 2. When it's break into 2, it will come to the next here. You see here, this is the switch. Let me make it a little bit. You see your power coming from here, it come here. 2 power. That's the switch I just showed you. And 4 grounds. Why we need this ground? For changing polarity. So now, as soon as you push the button, it will take 1 ground. This place it will change. Sometimes if you push it front, this become ground, this become power, and the motor go up. This is for the this is for the left. This is for the right side, passenger side. This is here. You see 1 power and ground, 2 ground. You have 2 ground, 1 power. When you push the button, the button gonna give this one here. This one gonna be power. This is the motor. One gonna be power, one gonna be ground. If you push it the other side, one gonna be ground, the other one become power, and the motor is spin both on the polarity, because you're changing the polarity of the magnetic. It go up, it go down. But if you keep pushing for hard time or more than usual time, or if the motor is not good, this is circuit breaker here also. It will expand, or it will lose. It will become hot and lose. The motor will never work. It become like a resistor or a circuit breaker. The same as this circuit breaker here on this. You see, like here we have where, like this circuit breaker. This is a fuse side. This is a fuse side. But anything like this is a circuit breaker. So this is a simple way that it works. So if your cluster is not working, or if you disconnect the cluster on this 2008 F150 or 350, 2009, or any car that have accessory delay relay, this is what the accessory delay relay is, and is commanded by the cluster. So right now the guy have a cluster issue. Cluster doesn't work, accessory delay doesn't work, accessory delay doesn't work. You're not gonna get no power going to because when it's closed, it comes to the power distribution. You see here, it go here, and then from here it go to this. You don't have no windows, no power lag or anything that. Thank you for watching. Always have wiring diagram. Identifix have one like this also. I use it. Aldera have it, but it's good to have some kind of wiring diagram and understanding how this thing works. Thank you for watching.